UITP is the global association of public transport operators, authorities, and supplying industry, embracing all shared and on-demand modes besides conventional public transport. We gather 1,700 organizations from 100 countries. The drastic loss of ridership, up to 95% in some cities. It may take time to recover this loss, so we'll have first to restore trust, to welcome back passengers. For that, it will be important to maintain high level of services while disinfecting stations and vehicles frequently. Empty streets have made everyone realize how much of our shared space is reserved for cars. After the lockdown, people will certainly use this space for cycling, for walking more than before. But they may travel more by car because of the perception that it is safer. Must keep on encouraging the use of public transport because it uses less road space, it is safer, it is socially inclusive. The mobility post-lockdown must be about moving people instead of moving cars. Those who have been working in the front lines are the guardians of mobility, and we applaud them. When the city was locked down, buses and trains were running for unavoidable trips and for the safe mobility of workers of essential services, such as healthcare personnel. Public transport is not just a mobility solution. It's a vital service that keeps our cities alive with people at its heart. It was wonderful to share my views with all of you. I would like to thank Mobility Makers for offering me this opportunity. Stay safe